Hey, what's up you guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. Let's talk about the blockchain technology. In the year 1991, a group of scientists had invented the blockchain technology, but it was not popular at that time. But later in the year 2008, an unknown person named Satoshi Nakamoto has invented the Bitcoin. So from the invention of the Bitcoin, the blockchain technology had become popular. You might think, what is the link between the blockchain technology and the Bitcoin? Yes, there is a link. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies work on the blockchain technology itself. So as the Bitcoin has gained its popularity, the blockchain has also gained its popularity. A blockchain contains a public ledger. Ledger is nothing but a record of transaction. So this record of transactions is shown to the public and is available to the public. Hence it is known as the public ledger. You might get a doubt that these ledgers are available to the public, so anybody can change it, but it's not correct. We cannot edit, damage, modify or delete these public ledgers because these ledgers are stored in the different nodes. Nodes in the sense means computers. So accessing the different computers and deleting the several number of ledgers is not possible. Hence hacking a blockchain is impossible. In the blockchain, a block contains the transaction data and the previous data transaction hash code or the hash value. This hash value is nothing but it is like a secure code, like a fingerprint sensor. Each ledger has a unique code and unique ID. So the link of these multiple blocks is nothing but called as the blockchain. As I said, the transactions are stored in the different nodes. Each computer has to verify the transaction. Who will verify this transaction? These transactions will be verified by the miners. Who are these miners? These miners are just the people like us and they verify the transaction and they get the Bitcoin as a reward. I think you might know that hacking a blockchain technology is next to impossible. It is because each transaction will be verified by the one or more computers. If anyone tries to change the hash code value of the transaction in one computer, then other computers immediately detects it. So the modified node will be rejected at the time of the verification. So hacking the blockchain technology is next to impossible. But there is a way to hack the blockchain technology. To hack the blockchain technology worldwide, totally 51% of the computers should be hacked. If we can hack the 51% computers globally, the blockchain technology can be hacked. But hacking the 51% computers globally is also a difficult task and it also seems to be next to impossible. To run a blockchain transaction, we need a lot of computing power and the blockchain is completely decentralized. It means there is no a single person handling the blockchain technology. A group of members will be handling the blockchain technology. So anybody can enter into the blockchain. So there is no like a dictatorship in the blockchain technology. This blockchain technology is categorized into three sectors. One is the public sector and the second one is the consortium sector and the third one is the private sector. Public sector means that anybody can become a miner and verify the transactions. Consortium is just for the banking sectors which includes multiple transactions at a single time. Private is just for the companies. Any company can hold their company information or the employee information in this blockchain technology. If you want to know about the cryptocurrencies like the Bitcoin, Dogecoin and even the NFTs, then I made dedicated videos on that. I'll provide that playlist link in the description below. You can go and check it out. And that's all from this video. I think you got a clear idea about the blockchain technology. If you still have any doubts on the blockchain technology, comment down in the comment box below. I'll definitely answer those questions. If you find this video informative, drop us a like on below and share this video. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to watch this video out there because it will be way more interesting. And that's it for me today guys. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.